Liverpool have BVB defender as possible replacement for Virgil van Dijk. Borussia Dortmund defender Nico Schlotterbeck has matured and established himself as an undisputed starter at the German club. His performance has caught the attention of the Premier League, where Liverpool are emerging as a possible interested party. According to the Caught Offside website, the English club sees Schlotterbeck as an option to replace Virgil van Dijk, whose contract at Anfield ends at the end of this season. The Dutch captain's stay at Liverpool is uncertain. According to the publication, Liverpool would be willing to pay around €50 million to sign the defender, offering an annual salary of approximately €7 million. In addition to Liverpool, Newcastle United have also shown interest in the defender, with manager Eddie Howe noticing the 24-year-old's performance. Schlotterbeck has a contract with Borussia Dortmund until 2027 and occupies a central position in the team's defense. The German club has no interest in negotiating with him. However, this is not the first time that speculation has arisen about his departure. There were already rumors last summer, but Schlotterbeck himself reaffirmed his commitment to Dortmund. The defender joined the club in 2022, coming from SC Freiburg. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.